Big updates are coming in related to US President Donald Trump and India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. A series of developments took place within a short span of time, starting with a phone call, followed by multiple posts on Trump's social media platform Truth Social, and ending with a major announcement related to tariffs, trade, and oil purchases. Let's understand the full sequence clearly and simply. The entire sequence started with a post by Sergio, the newly appointed US ambassador to India. He shared a short message saying that President Donald Trump had just spoken with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and asked everyone to stay tuned for updates. This post immediately created curiosity and attention. After that, Donald Trump himself started posting on Truth Social. Trump shared the cover page of India Today magazine. The cover featured both Donald Trump and Prime Minister Narendra Modi as newsmakers of the year 2025. The headline on the cover highlighted them as two global leaders shaping world politics and global decisions. This post was symbolic and showed the political importance of both leaders on the global stage. Trump then shared a picture of India Gate. In his message, he described it as a beautiful triumphal arch and added that America's arch will be the greatest of all. This post was seen as symbolic and ideological, mixing admiration for Indian heritage with Trump's well-known "Make America Great" narrative. Now, this is where the biggest update comes. Trump wrote that he had a very respectful and friendly conversation with Prime Minister Modi. He described Modi as one of his closest friends and a strong global leader. Key points from Trump's statement: Russia-Ukraine war discussions. They discussed global issues including the Russia-Ukraine war and international peace efforts. Russian oil purchase claim. Trump claimed that India will stop buying Russian oil. India will increase oil purchases from the United States. India may also increase oil imports from Venezuela. This is currently Trump's claim only. No official confirmation has come from the Indian government yet. Major trade deal announcement. Trump announced a new trade understanding between India and the US. US tariff reduction. US will reduce the reciprocal tariffs on India from 25% to 18%. This means a 7% tariff cut. Other penalty tariff remain unchanged for now. And India's commitments, as per Trump's post, sounds like India will move towards reducing US trade barriers. India will promote Buy American policy. India will purchase over $500 billion worth of US products, including energy, technology, agriculture, coal, industry products. Trump also said that this deal reflects the strong personal relationship between the two leaders and that both of them are leaders who get things done. He ended his post by saying that the India-US relationship will grow stronger in the coming years. So, to summarize, Trump and Modi had a phone conversation. Trump shared three major posts, one symbolic, one diplomatic, and one policy-driven. A big tariff cut was announced, a major trade deal was claimed, oil purchase shift was mentioned, strategic cooperation was highlighted. But the final clarity will come only after India's official response. We will continue to track all developments and bring you every update. Stay connected for more.